Hey, hi everyone. Welcome back. So guys, as part of the today's session, let us see about how exactly we can skip a particular test or how exactly we can run a particular test. So I have picked up examples 2.spec file where right after my test name, I was just adding a skip keyword. Save this file. Okay, pull the terminal and just use npx playwright to test this particular file. So when I try to run it, see here, one test is skipped and one test got a passed. Let me pull this report. Okay, let me pull this particular report and check the report. Okay, let me check that particular report. Let's go to the browser. See here. Okay, see here, one test got a skipped and one test got a pass. This is what the skip is has title. That's what we have added there. Perfectly all right. So you just need to add a skip keyword. And for suppose in this, I just want to execute only this particular test itself. Let me stop this particular report, Control C, and let me try to run this spec file. So though there are two tests, I just added only, which means among all those two tests, only one test will be executed. See, only one got executed. And even if you look at this particular report also, okay, even if you look at this particular report also, only one test got executed, the other test wasn't executed. That's the beauty with respect to this only. If you have created a multiple test and you just want to execute only one, you can do that. Or of course you can do in a UI mode also, or you can do you that particular extension also. Either of these options you can prefer to execute your test case. Okay, perfectly all right. See you again in the next session. Thank you.